For centuries, scientists have tried to decode the secrets of our DNA, the blueprint of life. Now, artificial intelligence is transforming this quest, offering a leap in our ability to understand what makes us healthy or sick. Imagine predicting disease years before symptoms, or designing medicines tailored to your unique genetic code. This is the promise of AI in biology, a revolution led by systems like Google DeepMind's AlphaGenome. AlphaGenome interprets our DNA not as a static code, but as a dynamic instruction manual, accelerating discovery at a pace once thought impossible. The fusion of AI and genomics is unlocking secrets held in our cells for millennia, offering hope for new cures and a deeper understanding of life. With AI as our guide, we're not just witnessing the future of medicine, we're helping create it. The human genome is a 3 billion-letter book, written in just 4 letters, A, C, G, and T. Only about 2% codes for proteins. The rest, once dismissed as junk, is now known to control when and where genes are switched on or off. Think of genes as light bulbs and non-coding DNA as the wiring and switches that control them. Many diseases arise not from broken genes, but from subtle glitches in this regulatory wiring. The challenge: finding the critical switches hidden among billions of letters and understanding how they interact across vast distances in the genome. Traditional methods can't keep up with this complexity. We needed a tool that could learn the genome's language and reveal its hidden patterns. That's exactly what AlphaGenome was built to do. AlphaGenome doesn't just read DNA, it understands it. Trained on massive experimental datasets, it connects DNA sequences to their real-world functions. Unlike earlier models that saw only fragments, AlphaGenome analyzes hundreds of thousands of letters at once, revealing how distant regions work together. It's learned the grammar of the genome, predicting which sequences act as switches or enhancers. This lets scientists pinpoint the DNA changes that matter most for traits or diseases. Instead of years of lab work, researchers can now focus on the most promising targets. AlphaGenome is like an expert guide, accelerating discovery by highlighting where the genetic treasure is buried. It's transforming how we explore the code of life. DNA isn't a straight line, it's a 6-foot thread folded into a tiny cell nucleus. This folding brings distant DNA regions into contact, allowing faraway switches to control genes. AlphaGenome models this 3D choreography, predicting how DNA folds and which parts interact. A single mutation in a junk region can disrupt these loops, switching genes on or off and causing disease. By seeing the genome in 3D, AlphaGenome reveals the hidden wiring that controls gene activity. This explains how the same DNA can create hundreds of cell types, each reading different chapters by folding DNA in unique ways. AlphaGenome helps us unlock the secrets of cellular identity and the origins of diseases like cancer. It's a powerful tool for understanding the dynamic regulation of our genes. AlphaGenome is a breakthrough, thanks to its advanced AI architecture inspired by language models. Unlike older systems that saw only short DNA snippets, AlphaGenome analyzes up to 1 million letters at once, capturing long-range interactions. It predicts not just if a region is functional, but how changes in that region affect gene activity. Scientists can run virtual experiments, changing a single DNA letter and seeing the predicted impact. This turns AlphaGenome into a powerful engine for generating new biological hypotheses. It moves beyond simple labels, modeling the real mechanisms behind gene regulation. AlphaGenome bridges the gap between raw DNA and its effects in the cell, accelerating research like never before. AlphaGenome's real power lies in its impact on human health. It can pinpoint non-coding mutations that disrupt gene regulation, revealing how they cause diseases like schizophrenia or heart disease. This insight helps researchers design drugs that target the root cause, not just the symptoms. AlphaGenome also enables personalized medicine, predicting disease risk and drug response for each individual. Doctors could use it to choose the best treatment and dosage from the start, avoiding trial and error. Beyond disease, AlphaGenome sheds light on development, aging, and immunity, guiding new vaccines and healthy aging strategies. It transforms raw genetic data into actionable knowledge. The potential to improve lives is immense. AlphaGenome is part of a larger story, AI's growing partnership with biology. Like AlphaFold, which solved protein structures, AlphaGenome is decoding the genome's hidden instructions. Biology is now a data science, but interpreting that data requires AI's power. AI models like AlphaGenome act as translators, turning overwhelming data into real insight. They help design experiments, analyze results, and generate new hypotheses, creating a cycle of discovery. This partnership accelerates research, bringing us closer to cures and answers once out of reach. With AI, we're not just reading the book of life, we're finally understanding its meaning. The future of biology is here, and AI is the key to unlocking its deepest secrets.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.